How to use Shopee Coins for discount. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to use Shopee Coins for discount, then watch this guide till the end. The first step is to open the Shopee app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can open up Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Now, the first thing you want to do is earn Shopee Coins. For that, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, here you have My Shopee Coins option in the My Wallet section. You're going to find the total coins you have over here. You can also tap on the Check in Today option to earn some coins. There are other ways to earn the coins as well. That is by completing order. Based on the order value, you will receive Shopee coins. You can also participate in Shopee games and events such as this one. You can also get Shopee coins by writing reviews with pictures or videos after receiving your order. Now, once you have collected enough Shopee coins, you can use it to get discounts. Now, you want to explore the app and find the items that you want to purchase. Once you have added enough items to your cart, tap on this cart icon. Now, on the checkout page, you have the Redeem 3 Shopee Coins option at the bottom of your screen. If you want to use the Shopee coin, toggle this button on. Each Shopee coin is equivalent to 1 PHP cent, so 100 Shopee coins would give you 1 PHP discount. Now you want to tap on the checkout option. After applying the Shopee coins, the total amount of your order will be reduced based on the number of coins you used. Now you want to proceed with the payment as usual. You can use Shopee coins to pay up to 25% of the total order amount, and in this way you can use Shopee coins for discount. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.